Looking through the cracks in the floor and the ceiling, just you and the missus and rose scented kisses. My, what a wonderful feeling. Ooh. Welcome to mystery.
Let's learn Wonderland Waltz. It's choreographed by Rob Fowler. It is a 48 count, 2-wall improver level waltz with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do a few rotations of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Wonderland Waltz. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to do a basic forward and back. We're going to step forward with our left, step your right next to your left, step your left foot next to your right. You're now going to step back with your right, step your left next to your right, step your right foot next to your left. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping forward with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2, we're going to do a half turning basic. We're going to step forward with our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot next to your left. You'll now be facing 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot next to your right to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a basic back, stepping back with our right, step your left foot next to your right, step your right foot in place. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot. You're doing your half turning basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 3, we're going to do a quarter turning basic. Step forward with your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot next to your left, and then step your left foot in place. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to do a basic back, stepping back with our right, step your left foot next to your right, step your right foot in place. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 4, you're going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to point your right toe to the right side and you're going to hold. We're now going to step back with our right and you're going to sweep your left from front to back for 2 counts. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're stepping forward with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 5, we're going to cross our left behind our right, step our right foot to the side, cross your left over your right. You're now going to do a big step to the right and drag your left toe into your right. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just swept our left foot around. You're crossing it behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 6, we're going to do a rolling vine. Over our left shoulder, you're going to start by making a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left, and then step your right foot to the right side. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just dragged our left toe into our right, facing 3 o'clock. You're doing your rolling vine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 7. We're going to do part of our 3/4 diamond fall away. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the right side. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 130. You're now going to step back with your right. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12. And then you're going to make another eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 10-30. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot facing 3 o'clock. We're going to do part of our 3/4 diamond fall away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 8 in our final section of the dance. We're going to finish our diamond fall away, ending facing at 6 o'clock. You're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left. You'll now be facing 7:30. You're going to step back with your right, make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, and then step your right foot next to your left, and you'll be facing 6 o'clock to start the next wall. So let's try it with some counts. Right now we would be facing 10:30, or our left forward diagonal. You're going to cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you'll be facing 6 o'clock with your weight on your right foot, ready to start the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're starting with your basic forward. It's forward, basic, back, half basic, right basic, back. Now quarter basic, right basic, back, step point, back sweep, behind side, cross side drag, quarter, half, quarter, cross, rock, side. Now you're doing your fall away. Cross side, eighth back, back eighth side, eighth forward, cross eighth side, eighth back, back eighth side together. And you'll be facing 6 o'clock with your weight on your right foot. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot, stepping forward with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the whole dance. So when you're doing that fall away, you want to make sure that you're always traveling over your left shoulder as you make those steps back. You're going to start at the side wall, finish at either the front or the back, depending on where you started. If you're facing 12 o'clock, you'll start facing 3, and you'll do that going in from corner to corner until you get to 6 o'clock. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we're going to do counts. Weight starting on your right foot. You're doing your basic forward with your left. So we're doing forward together, together, back together, together. Step, quarter, quarter, back together, together. Step, quarter, together, back together, together. Step point, back sweep, behind side, cross side drag, quarter, half, quarter, cross, rock, side, cross side, eighth back, back eighth side, eighth forward, cross eighth side, eighth back, back eighth side together, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic forward, basic back, half basic, basic back, quarter basic, basic back, step point, back sweep, behind side, cross side drag, quarter, half, quarter, cross, rock, cross side, eighth back, back eighth side, eighth forward, cross eighth side, eighth back eighth side, eighth forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the whole dance. So now, when you're doing those basics, you want to avoid doing a coaster motion, which means that step forward after you step together. Try keeping it all in place when you do those basics forward and back. The only step that moves is your first one. I hope this helps you learn Wonderland Waltz. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.